From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
All right, good morning, Tuesday, January 21st, and today we're talking about more cloud coverage, and so therefore it's actually going to have a colder feel to the air compared to what we had yesterday thanks to the lack of sunshine. And got a couple of disturbances on the way. Those are going to swing their way on through. And then as we get into the weekend, a nice little warming trend is on the way. So let's go ahead and get to work and start off the almanac from yesterday. We did make it to 23 degrees, a whopping 1 in Cumberland County. Incredibly cold air has been in place around the area. 27 was the high in Chattanooga and only 24 in Tri-Cities after a morning low of 10. So yesterday we got down into the single digits and teens. I think tomorrow morning we're probably mostly in the single digits. Why? Because we've got a reinforced shot of colder air that's going to be swinging its way on through. So we've got a disturbance to our north and west, still kind of that big long trough across the atmosphere, the upper parts of the atmosphere. This trough is going to swing its way through, kind of pendulum through the area. And as it does so, it's forming a low in the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to scoop up some moisture and throw it our direction in the southwesterly flow. This will bring us the reinforced shot of colder air tomorrow. So got a lot going on, a northern stream and a southern stream, but the general idea is clouds will stream on into the area. That storm system to our south is going to produce snow showers along the beaches from Texas to Louisiana, Mississippi to Alabama, Florida, even to parts of Georgia. You see how that system stays down to our south. So strong high pressure keeps that low pressure to our south. Remember earlier this week, we were like, oh, well, maybe, or I guess the last week anyways, it's only Tuesday. Maybe we could see a little bit of light snow showers out of that. I don't necessarily think that we will. I still think that if enough moisture creeps its way into toward the mountain counties, could see maybe a couple of flurries just because it's the Arctic air doesn't hold any moisture. So that zips its way to our south and southeast. That's going to bring us the clouds today. Clear skies, high pressure builds on in. Another little clipper system to our northwest. That's going to slide on in by the end of the week and bring us a little bit of a breeze, also bring us increasing chances for rain as we get into our Sunday. So futurecast snowfall. I mean, can you believe I'm showing you a snowfall forecast along the Gulf of Mexico? I mean, they're looking at anywhere from 2 to 3, 4 to 6 inches of snow along the Gulf Coast, all the way through Macon, Georgia, Augusta, Raleigh, Virginia Beach, and Richmond. So if you happen to have any travel plans to our south, well, grab me some photos. You don't often see snow on the beaches. All right, so morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, clearing this evening. Reinforced shot of colder air thanks to that disturbance. Warmer weather as we get into the upcoming weekend, back to those seasonal averages, and a chance of rain moving its way on into our Sunday, through the day on Sunday. So cold weather advisory in place until noon today, and it goes into effect again tonight at 7 o'clock and runs until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So 6 o'clock observations, temperatures have been in the single digits and teens. Wind chill values, single digits and teens as well. So not too terribly cold, but yes, it doesn't take much of a breeze to produce the colder weather. Lunchtime temperatures will climb to the low 20s. So a slow warm up, and we only make it into the low, mid, and upper 20s throughout the day today. So a little bit colder. Plateau, Tennessee, Kentucky, border, upper East Tennessee, and the Smoky Mountains, of course. A little bit warmer in the valley locations, stretching all the way from Granger, Hamblin County, down towards Chattanooga, where temps will be in the low, mid, and upper 20s as well. All right, evening forecast. If you have outdoor plans here tonight, we'll be in the mid-20s by 6 and down to about 21 degrees by 8 o'clock here. Remember, we've got the clouds streaming on through, so that's going to give it a colder feeling to the air. When you have the sunshine, even if it's 25 degrees, it feels a little bit better. But when you have the clouds moving on in, you don't get the sunshine to help warm you up. And so I think it's going to have that cold, raw, winter, gross feeling to the air. Clouds are going to be high, though. Little bit of flurry activity can't be ruled out as that system swings off to our south and southeast. Clouds move on out as it does so, and that brings us the clearing skies tonight, which allows for that cold weather advisory to go in place again, and low temperatures back into the single digits, even colder tomorrow morning. Wind chill values, single digits and sub-zero, and so that's why we have that cold weather advisory in place again on into our Wednesday morning. But Wednesday afternoon, we should climb to above freezing. That was the goal. Right now, I think that's going to be the case. I'm going about 32 degrees, so it's going to be close. If for some reason we don't hit 32 degrees on Wednesday, we won't hit 32 degrees again until about noon on Thursday, which would make it about 96 hours below 32. Otherwise, it's about 72 hours. Anyways, temperatures climbing to the 40s as we get into the weekend. Colder air returns Monday for morning low temperatures, but highs actually make it, or stay, I should say, in the mid to upper 40s. So at least we're back to those seasonal averages as we get into next week. So cold now, a little bit warmer, increasing chances for rain. Rain showers increase late Sunday. I think it's probably going to be after about, say, 2 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon that the rain showers settle on in, if not later than that. And then it's going to be a rainy Monday morning, and we're going to pick up anywhere from about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So some decent amount of rain and some much needed moisture. We need the moisture every once in a while. Average to maybe even returning to that above average weather pattern as we round out the month of January and start the month of February. All right, we sure hope you have a great day. A lot of you have shared some amazing photos through the Witcher's Pictures link and, of course, on social media. So I wanted to share a couple with you as we head off to break. Have a great day.